Hi, my name is Amit Pandey, and I'm going to discuss about the week 2 case study. This case study raises two questions. First question is, how can the Chase Sapphire team best design its product brand to attract the right customers? And the second question is, has it done so successfully with the Chase Sapphire Reserve? Why or why not? So first I would look into the first question, and I would say that Cash Sapphire team, in terms of the designing its product brand, would have two focus areas for design to attract the right customers. First area of focus is creating customer value for its product brand. Customer value can be delivered by compelling customer experience, including tailored product and services, relevant offers, personalized experience, convenience, and time saving. Other area of focus could be making product brand profitable for Chase as an organization. This can be achieved by finding ways to create sustainable profit growth by better product design, more targeted promotions, identification of unfulfilled needs, increased customer satisfaction, customer retention. Discussion section. In my point of view, Chase Sapphire team has successfully designed Chase Sapphire as a product brand for targeted customers that falls under customer archetypes, transactors slash resolvers. Following behavioral characteristics of the customers help Chase to gain sustainable profit growth by its product brand Case Sapphire Reserve. Customer with transactor revolver archetypes has characteristics like both spend 16,000 per year. Both type of customers, transactors and revolvers, carry credit balance 0 for transactor and 50% of annual spend of revolvers. $8,000 per year. Revolvers carry the credit balance. Interest rate average for 21%, and both transactors and revolvers archetype customers renew the card at $450 annual fees. As per Chase CFO, you expense the acquisition cost over 12 months. The benefits comes over 7 years. Since transactors revolver archetypes renew the card at 450 annual fees and carry 50% of annual spend as credit balance on average interest rate of 21%. Both customers archetype spend 16,000 per year. It makes sense for Chase to sustain this this kind of customers, uh, because first they pay annual fee $450, and then like average interest rate is 21%. So $8,000 of 21% is like a good profit for the Chase. And following, there are some evidence where it uh, came from the case study that shows that Sapphire Reserve Card customer are getting best customer service possible, and some of the evidence from the customer comments are like comments like, I am trying to prove I am a big shot. Like, what kind of a perception a customer has when uh, customer uses his Sapphire Reserve card in front of others, right? I am telling everyone to get this card. So customer is satisfied. Branding, doing marketing for the Chase. Then another one is you don't have to push any buttons. You don't have to enter any credit card number. You simply call the number on the back of your card and someone answers the phone and say, thank you for calling Chase Sapphire. How can I help? So this is like best customer experience Chase is creating for its customer by providing one number, one direct number for a customer to resolve any issue specific to card or have any question. If customer has any question, they don't have to like pick multiple option and wait. It's like upfront within a single call, customer get their question answered or concern taken care. If you see the third type of customers, customer archetypes, diamonds are the not right customer segment for Sapphire Reserve Card product because they spend only enough to earn the sign-on bonus. They carry $0 balance carry forward, and don't renew the card. So these type of customers may create some awareness about product brand at different platform. Since these customers spend only enough to earn the sign-on bonus, carry zero credit balance, do not renew card, organization is not getting any benefit with this customer card uses. So, in my opinion, customers as type revolvers are the right customer segment for Chase Sapphire card, and in order to reach targeted customer, Safe Sapphire team successfully designed brand product of Chase Sapphire Reserve card, and they have been successful in this regard. So thank you, and that was my conclusion of my case study. Again, the question was has Chase Sapphire team successfully design its product brand to attract the right customer? My answer is yes. Chase Sapphire team has designed Case Sapphire Reserve product brand to attract the right customers. And that's end of my discussion. And I hope you like my my analysis. Thank you so much.